Hello everyone, if you are trying to install a new operating system in VirtualBox and you click on next, but you see the error message saying can't overwrite machine folder, then this video is for you. But this error usually happens because a virtual machine with the same name already exists or the folder path is the same and VirtualBox does not have permission to write to that folder. But don't worry, it's very easy to fix. When you reach the folder selection screen during the VM setup, click on Other. This will open the folder where VirtualBox stores your virtual machines. In that folder, look for a folder with the same name as the virtual machine you are trying to create. Delete that folder if it's not needed. After deleting, select the folder again or create a new one. Now you should be able to continue the installation without any problem. That's it guys. I hope this helps you fix the issue. Thanks for watching.